Want to know how to use Mailchimp's smart email targeting and make your email marketing campaigns even more effective? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how this feature works and how you can leverage it to boost engagement and conversions. But before we dive in, you can actually start using this software for completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Let's get started. First up, what is Mailchimp's smart email targeting? Simply put, it allows you to send personalized emails to specific segments of your audience. By tailoring your messages based on user behavior, demographics, and other factors, you can ensure your emails resonate more with your recipients, making them more likely to take action. Now, let's walk through how to use it. The first thing you want to do is set up your audience segments. These segments are groups of people in your list who share specific traits or behaviors. For example, you could create a segment based on people who've clicked on a certain link in your emails or have made a purchase from your store. To do this, just go to the Audience tab in Mailchimp, select Manage Audience, then choose Segments. Here, you can either create a new segment or use one of Mailchimp's pre-built options. Next thing, let's talk about creating your first targeted campaign. Once you've set up your segments, go to the Campaigns section in Mailchimp and click on Create Campaign. From there, select Email, then choose a targeted campaign. You'll be able to choose which segment you want to send the campaign to, which ensures your emails reach the right people at the right time. This is key to effective smart email targeting, sending the right message to the right group of people. The third thing to remember is automating your campaigns. With Mailchimp's automation tools, you can trigger emails based on customer actions, like when someone subscribes to your list or makes a purchase. For example, you could set up an automated welcome email for new subscribers or a reminder email for abandoned carts. This not only saves you time, but also increases your chances of converting leads into customers. The fourth thing you should know about smart email targeting is A/B testing. This feature allows you to test different versions of your emails to see which one performs better. For example, you could test different subject lines, content, or calls to action to see what drives more opens or clicks. With Mailchimp Smart Email Targeting, you can test and tweak your emails to continually improve performance and engagement. Lastly, Mailchimp provides you with detailed analytics on your campaigns. After sending your targeted emails, you can view reports to see how well they performed. You'll get insights on open rates, click-through rates, and more. This data is crucial for refining your strategy and making sure your future campaigns are even more effective. And here's the best part. By using Mailchimp Smart Email Targeting, you can see significant improvements in your email marketing performance, all without the need for complex strategies or tools. Remember, if you want to get started with Mailchimp and access an extended free trial, be sure to check out the first link in the description below. This exclusive offer is only available to our viewers, so don't miss out. That's how you use Mailchimp Smart Email Targeting to send highly personalized, relevant emails to the right people at the right time. Keep using these tips, and you'll notice your engagement rates soar.